guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to test out a bunch of foundations. That way you can save your hard-earned money if it doesn't work, and if it does work, that is awesome. So today we're going to be debuting Flower Beauty, which can be sold here at Walmart at your local drugstore, and this one is called About Face Foundation Base, and it looks bomb. Glass, which I love that. Pump, everybody needs in their life. I wish everybody would start doing that. I'm in LF2. I guess that stands for light. I don't know. I have to look it up and tell you. I got it in Walmart in Raleigh when my mom was getting chemo there, and I saw that there's not many shades there, and I had a hard time picking out a shade to match me. This here looks like it's going to be a little bit light, but if that's the case, then we can put a lot of bronzer on and bronze it up, but it should be okay. So yeah, if you want to see how this performs, I'm going to be doing a wear test all day, so if you want to see how this performs, just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to do the wear test today on the Flower Beauty, and I was looking on their website and it shows it has 12 shades. That is so sad, guys. You know, I'm not even going into that. That is a conversation all in itself, but with it being 2018, come on. Y'all can come out with more than 12 shades. Come on, Flower Beauty. Okay? But looking on the website, it basically says that enjoy a flawless look. Okay, here we go. Enjoy a flawless look with Flower About Face Foundation with primer. So I wonder what it looks like without primer. Without their primer. It neutralizes imperfection and evens out skin tones for a picture perfect finish. Hydrating formula with vitamin C and E for anti-aging and antioxidant benefits. Mild formula is free of parabens and talc. That's great. Lightweight Flower foundation can be applied for light coverage. So we already know it's for light coverage, so we're not looking for full coverage. It easily builds, but it does say it builds for comprehensive coverage. What is comprehensive coverage? With a smooth, blendable formula that glides across skin. It can be used alone for a fresh face, dewy look, or combined with Flower cheek colors for a subtle glow. Choose from multiple natural looking shades. Each shade, as well as additional Flowers cosmetics, are sold individually. And this, I think I paid $11.87, which is what it has on their website as well. This is on Walmart.com, which is where I bought mine. Let's see. Let's go on to the foundation. So I think with the moisturizing side, I'm going to use my Morphe Y6 brush. And on the pore minimizing side, I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge. So I'm going to shake it up. And as I was stating, my color is LF2. And I'm so sorry, I keep looking over here, but I want to make sure I'm in focus. So let's see, it's not really thick. It's not really thick. It's kind of thick. That's one little pump, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere at all. So I'm going to do one pump. Get some on the back of the brush. Okay, so we're going to go over here. It's got an odor. I've been wearing my glasses, so I got an indent right here, so we'll definitely see if that'll cover that. Make sure we get those ears. Okay, so I thought that this was going to be really too light, but as I'm looking, it looks like it's going to be just fine. But as you can see, that is completely soaked it up, and I ain't even got to my forehead yet. I don't look like I'm in focus. What in the world? Okay, so I'm going to do one more pump. Ooh. One more pump with the brush. There we go. Now I'm getting some coverage. I think it is going to be a little too light. I'm trying to look in my mirror to see if make sure it's nice and blended in. Okay. So I don't see a lot of brush strokes, but I'm not really liking how it's sitting on my forehead either. So let's do one pump with the sponge. So I'm gonna use the Real Technique sponge. I love using the sponges. This thing here, this is the Face and Body. It is amazing. Casey Holmes recommended it, and I was like, why haven't I ever thought of that? That would be so cool, especially when you're in a rush. I mean, it just, you see how long it took to blend it in with the brush, and look, and you see how quick I've already blended it in with my Real Technique sponge. Okay. So as you can tell, I hope you can tell this on camera, how with the sponge you can still see my redness right here peeping through, but you can see it's a lot more full coverage, not full coverage, but you can see it's a lot more heavier feeling and covering up more on this side than this side. So I'm gonna see how it layers with this. I'm gonna put another pump. See if you can layer it up. So you do get more coverage with the brush, which, I mean, that's normal. That's with most all foundations. But so far it's not looking bad. Now I do have normal to slightly drier skin, but this is supposed to be a moisturizing formula, and we are using it with their primers. Okay. So it definitely layered very well, and I'm getting like a dewy feeling on the skin. You can see and my redness still shining through here, but no redness over here. Everything looks smooth and flawless on this side. I'm gonna use the brush and put some on my eyes. I normally don't put it on my eyes, but since I did on the sponge side, we will on this side. Okay. So how does it look? Can anybody see it on my forehead? Everything looks like it's laying smoothly, but I still have a little redness peeking through here. And this side here looks really good. Now if I had to compare the two, I still say the one with the sponge side looks a lot better. It just looks so seamlessly and blended in. But I mean, I think it looks really good. So far, so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm testing another video today. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on my makeup, and I will come back. Right now it is, what time it is? Right now it is 12:24. So I will be right back. Hey guys, all right, so let's see, what time is it? I'm never organized, as you can tell. It is 6:49. Wow, it's late. So it's 6:49. I don't know if y'all can see it up there at the top. I'm so sorry. Should have got my phone. So it's 6:49 p.m. So it's been on, let's see, I put it on at what, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. So it's been about 6 hours. So let's see what we got. Let me bring you in closer. Closer, Clarice. So let's see. Can you see my face? I am seeing a little bit of breakup in between my eyebrows, and if you can see it rubbing away up my nose over here. But as far as anything rubbing off, highlight is still very well there. Blush, bronzer, all that is still intact. I mean, it's drugstore. less than $12. So far so good. I can't give it a 100, but for right now I can't complain. Let me see, let me zoom in, look at my mirror. Yeah, just right in here between my eyebrows and right here in my nose. That's the only thing I see so far. Like, wow, I am very, very impressed. So yeah, that is my that's my first check-in other than when I put it on. So it's been on for about a good 6 hours, and I will be back in a little while to, let's try to keep it on a good 10-12 hours. I will try to hold out. I don't like wearing it that long because I'm ready to put my jammies on. But yeah, I will see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so let's do a check-in. It's about 8 o'clock, right before it's getting dark. So I wanted to come outside and give y'all an actual outside view, natural light, to see how my face is looking. So let's see if I can focus it in. What do y'all think? Can y'all tell? I hope so. Come on, focus. Forehead looks great. Just right in here where it was messing up. Oh my gosh, my hummingbird was trying to eat and I am all up in her way. But around my nose. But I mean, I am just floored. You can still see I had to reapply the lipstick, but I mean it's lasted for a while, but that's not why we're here. But you can tell my highlight, my blush, and my bronzer is still on both cheeks. Like, that is a big deal to me. Everything is still looking good, just around my nose and here. Still, we're at about 8 hours now, so I am highly impressed. But like I said, I will update y'all in the information bar when I use all my products to see if it is different. But so far I am like, wow, I definitely will be wearing this one again. So far, even if it was a breakdown right now, a full 8 hours of a drugstore foundation is awesome. I don't really know how this would work out for oily skin, all because it's very hydrating. And like I said, I have normal to dry, but maybe if you would highly set it very well, it would, but I'm not really sure. If anyone has tried this foundation with oily skin, definitely let me know in the comments how it worked for you. But I will see y'all at the end of the day. Bye. Alright guys, so it is, let's see what time it is. It is 9:16. Can y'all see that? I know the glare. There we go. So it's 9:16 at night. I'm tired. I'm ready to take this makeup off and go to bed. But overall, my thoughts on this. Let me see if I can bring y'all in further. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see if I can get way up. Come on, zoom. Can y'all see this part right here? Right in here? It's really broke up really bad. Which it has started doing that earlier. And then it's in my fine lines right here on my forehead. My nose, definitely my nose has broke up. And around my nose up here is rubbed off. It's starting to settle into my fine lines. But I mean, I've had this on for around, let's see, I've had it for 9 hours now. 9.5 hours, something like that. And I can't complain at all. I mean, my blush, bronzer, highlight is still on my cheeks. And I mean, overall, it still looks good. I mean, I could go for another couple more hours. So, I mean, I can't complain at all. I think it did tremendously well. Again, as I stated in the prior clip, I don't know how it would do for oily skin. I do have normal to dry, and it did fantastic on my skin. If you have, like I stated before, if you have tried this for oily skin, does it work? Let us know in the comments. But yeah, for less than $12, I highly recommend this for normal to dry skin. and I am overall impressed. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope y'all have enjoyed this foundation try on. But yeah, I have enjoyed doing this. I will link some of the other videos that I have done up in the cards. And yeah, I will see y'all next time. Make sure you like the video, comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. Make sure you do hit that bell notification. That way you are notified when I do upload a video, because YouTube won't let you know. And I will see you on the next one.